Good morning and welcome to Commercial Lighting Systems Limited, and thank you for joining us. This morning's product we're going to demonstrate is our Sovereign Broadline range, which is a sleek, minimalist, suspended, surface and recessed product. The first product we're going to show you is the up-down version. As you can see, this is complete with an opal diffuser top and bottom. The opal diffuser allows the light to give a very clean distribution. We also do have a microprism upon request. This version we're showing you is the 3000 Kelvin version, but we do have other colour temperatures available. We also have just a standard downlight version. As you can see, you get a nice continuous light with no dark spots or glare. This product is actually demonstrating our blind end caps, which are available upon request. Our standard colours are just standard black, white and silver, but we do offer special RALs upon request. The unit itself is available in standard lengths of 1200, 1500, 1800, etc. But we can of course do custom lengths upon request and continuous systems with a plug and play system with seamless joints. We can do custom mitered corners to suit the installation. This is our 45-degree angle. Again, all of these are made at our factory, and as you can see, you get very clean cuts and with low light leak. That is the 45-degree angle, and this is the 90-degree angle. Again, same quality, same finish as you would expect from commercial lighting systems. We also offer a set of accessories for attachments for suspended and surface mounted versions. Obviously this forms only a small part of our product range. You can of course see more at our website and email address as indicated below. Yeah, thank you for joining us. Thank you.